Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am sharing some tips to help you be more productive and efficient in your kitchen. This tip is about kind of time management in the kitchen. If you've ever watched a TV chef, sometimes they seem to throw everything together in like 3 minutes. And yet, if you looked at the behind the scenes of that recipe, you would see that there had been a lot of chopping and measuring that was done in advance. But we can do that too. Sometimes that 4, 5, 6 o'clock hour can be super busy, and the chopping and the measuring are hard to do. Kids may be around needing help with homework or needing a ride. We might be just getting home from work and we're tired, whatever. So I suggest you do the chopping and the measuring earlier. If you're able to do them earlier in the day, you can do so. I keep little dishes like this around so I can measure all the spices out, and then when it comes time to cook, it's just like boop. Another thing you can do is use Tupperwares, small Tupperwares or food storage containers. If you're going to do some chopping of onions or other things, tomatoes, whatever, chop them, put them in the container, put the lid on. When it comes time to cook, you just pull them out and use them. If you don't have time the day of, you can also pre-measure and pre-cut for the week. You could maybe take some time on the weekend, pick your recipes and say, I'm going to measure out the spices and I'm going to do some chopping for the ingredients for what's coming up this week. This is really a way to sort of offload some of the cooking work from the busy time of day to a less busy time of day. Pre-measure and pre-chop. I hope this helps you be more productive in your kitchen.